The secret to comedy is timing. And in real estate, it's all about location, location, location. But can timing the market in real estate really make you more money? This is Butch Lieber with Desert Fairways Realty and this month's Market Update. Considering all the factors involved, price, competition, inventory, market activity, consumer sentiment, interest rates, and so many more, it is quite difficult to nail down the best time to buy or sell a house. But in the Phoenix market, there are some consistent patterns. This chart shows the number of listings under contract by week. It's a good measure of buyer activity. More houses go under contract between March and June. That's our busiest time of the year, which is good for sellers. There's a lot of activity, so your chance of selling is very good. But you've also got a lot of competition. It's also a good time of year for buyers. You have a lot to choose from, and you also have a lot of competition. Now, if we look at this chart of active listings, it shows an interesting pattern in the number of homes for sale and a really big shift this year. February and October typically have our highest amount of homes available for sale. This year we see a huge drop in the number of homes for sale, but we're starting to see our seasonal trend. So someone who wants to sell right now has very little competition. When we look at these charts together, we can see that though the number of active listings typically increase this time of year, buyer activity does not. That means this is a great time to be a buyer. There's more inventory and less competition. But it's also a good time to be a seller, especially if you're looking to move up or down in the same market, since it'll be easier to find that next perfect home. Now, money isn't always the only consideration in timing the market. Paying to commute for a new job across town can eat up any profit from timing the market for the best time to sell. And living in cramped quarters and being unhappy may not be worth waiting until your lease expires to buy. Given rising rental rates and the shortage of rental properties, many landlords are offering inexpensive ways to get out of your lease if you buy a home. And they'll likely make more money on their next tenant than they're making on you. Working with an agent who stays on top of the market and operates as a trusted advisor can help you find the best time to buy or sell your next home. And that's me, Butch Lieber, Associate Broker with Desert Fairways Realty, helping you and your friends and family find your happy place.